Hey guys, I just wanted to jump on here quickly to show you what my Amaryllis are doing. Now, I bought these bulbs last year. There are two different type of bulbs. The flowers are this one here, which is called White Christmas. And then there's another one that's more a blush pink, and it's called Apple Blossom. Now, they bloomed beautifully last season for the first time. And since then, I've just left them. I've left them in their pots. I just let them die back. And to my surprise, this spring, or to my amazement, they've started shooting up again. So what I've done is I place them on my windowsill, which gets quite a lot of sun during the daytime. And I've been giving them little bits of water every couple days. And I can't believe how much growth they've put on every day. They've only been up there for maybe 2 weeks at the most, and they've just been shooting up. And a couple of them, as you can see, have even started to show the little buds where the flower is going to come out. At the head of it, you can see here where it's going to bloom from. And I'm just amazed at how quickly these things shot up. There is even one here that has a little pup coming out from the side. So all I have to do is break off that little pup and plant it into its own little pot, and it will slowly grow up. Probably won't flower this season. Now, this here is my poinsettia that still has leaves on it after Christmas. So I'm very pleased to say that the leaves are on, and there's a lot of little buds, and there's even a few new leaves that have popped up. So I'm very happy for that my poinsettia has survived and is doing very well. Now, I know these Amaryllis are supposed to come back every year, that these bulbs actually live a long time, but I've neglected them over the summer season. I really never expected them to come back. And I cannot get over the Amaryllis, and I can't wait to see the blooms. Now, I have another poinsettia that I will show you. This one was a white poinsettia, and it has dropped all of its leaves, and it's kind of looking poorly. I was going to get rid of it, but then I noticed that this poinsettia also has a bunch of new buds that have poked its head up. So I'm just waiting to see if I'm going to get a few new leaves from that one. So that's it. Just a little update. I just wanted to show you what my bulbs are looking like. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and press the subscribe button. I would love to share gardening videos and comments with you guys. And you know, we also have the cooking aspect of this channel. Thanks again, guys, and bye for now.